Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to maths class. Okay, today we start new chapter, coordinate geometry. Actually, in coordinate geometry, there are three chapters are there. First chapter is straight line. First chapter is straight line. Second chapter is conic section. Third one, third one is introduction to three-dimensional geometry. Second chapter in this coordinate geometry or analytical geometry. Conic section is full. This chapter is deleted. Full chapter is deleted. Okay, conic section. Only straight line and introduction to three-dimensional geometry. Okay, coordinate geometry or analytical geometry. Okay. First chapter is straight line. Straight line in this coordinate geometry. Okay, weightage of this chapter is 1 mark, 1 question, 2 marks, 2 questions, 1, 4, 5 mark, 1 question. Now total 10 marks. Okay, this chapter is total 10 marks. 5 mark 1. This means 5 total 10 marks of this chapter. It changes next. Only telling you this chapter only, not the introduction to three-dimensional geometry. Okay, only this chapter in straight line. 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 2 question, 5 mark 1 question. In previous this one. Okay, this changes. Okay, 1 mark 1, 2 mark 2, 5 mark 1, total 10 marks in this chapter. Very important in this chapter in case CET and JEE also minimum one or two questions will get. Okay, very interesting chapter and a very important chapter. This one, straight line. Okay. Before that, we'll discuss the introduction part. In earlier class, we'll study also coordinate geometry. Okay, slope of a line. Slope of a line is denoted by m and defined by m is equal to tan theta. And we'll find the slope of the line joining 2 points. M is equal to y2 minus y divided by x2, y2 minus y divided by x2 minus x1. Distance formula. Before that, we will study already distance formula. Distance between 2 points. E be equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y whole square. Section formula. Okay, y-intercept, slope intercept form. Okay, we'll study deeply. We'll study in straight line. Okay, coordinate in xy plane. The first xy plane. Introduction part. First you listen here, you don't write. This means next rectangular Cartesian coordinate system. Okay. Consider first two mutually perpendicular lines, xo x dash and yo y dash. Be two perpendicular lines intersecting at O. O means what? Origin. O is called the origin. Okay. The line xo x dash is called x-axis. The line yo y dash is y-axis. Okay. Now the OX dash and OY dash, take it as what? Negative. And OX and OY, take it as positive. Okay. The coordinate plane, okay, these two coordinate plane. Now XY plane only, this one is what? XY plane or Cartesian plane, coordinate plane. Coordinate axes are what? The axis, the X and Y axis. The X and Y axis are called what? Coordinate axis. Coordinate axis. The X and Y axis are called coordinate. Is called the what? Coordinate axis. Okay. Perpendicular lines x dash and y dash called coordinate plane also. Now this one xy plane or coordinate plane or Cartesian plane, both are same meaning. Okay, now this one is ox dash is called what? X axis. This means horizontal line. The horizontal line x dash is called x axis. The vertical line y dash is called y axis. Okay. The coordinate of any point on x-axis, the coordinate of any point on x-axis is called what? Is of the form x comma 0. Any point on the coordinate of any point on x-axis will be of the form x comma 0 in this point. Okay, in x-axis which coordinate is 0? Y coordinate is 0. Okay, divides this coordinate plane. Divide the four quadrants. Okay. Yeah. Next is coordinate of any point on y-axis. This one is x-axis. The coordinate of the coordinates of any point on y-axis will be of the form 0, comma y. Okay, this means coordinates of axis. Okay, this plane is what? Divided into what? Four quadrants. First one is, this one is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, x and y are positive. Both are positive. Okay, x o y dash is taken as positive, and this one is x o y. In this one, x axis is negative, y axis is positive. Okay, in this one both are negative, in this one positive, negative. X is positive, y is negative in this one. Next, we'll draw. Let P of x comma y be any point on the plane. Be any point on the in this plane, in this coordinate plane. Okay. Next we'll draw. This point is what? X comma y. Okay. Next we'll draw PM perpendicular to x-axis. Again we'll draw PN perpendicular to, already you know this. I'm telling once again. Earlier class we study already. Okay, coordinate plane, 10th class. Okay, in this OM is equal to what? X. OM is equal to 0. Is point on x-axis. OM is equal to the form of x comma 0. Is point on x-axis. OM is equal to x is called the point on x-axis. The point M is on x-axis. Point is what? X comma 0. This PN is perpendicular to x-axis. The M coordinate is what? X comma 0. OM is equal to x. OM is equal to x. Next, N. This n is lies on y-axis. N coordinate is what? 0, comma y. Okay, this n is equal to y. Is for the coordinate of y-axis. Now, OM is parallel to PM. PM is what? Parallel to ON. PM is also equal to 1. Okay, PM is equal to 1. Okay, this. Now, the origin O together with x and y axis, together with x and y axis is called rectangular Cartesian coordinate system. The origin O together with x and y axis is called rectangular Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, now this OM is equal to what? X. Coordinate of any point on x-axis, the is equal to what? X. Coordinate of any point on x-axis, the coordinate of any point on x-axis will be of the form x comma 0. This m point is of the coordinate of any point on x-axis will be of the form x comma 0. This m point is of the form m point is what? X comma 0 because lies on x-axis. Okay. This one is what? N. N is lies on y-axis. Okay. The coordinate of any point on y-axis will be of the form 0 comma y. Okay, ON is equal to y is for the what? Y-axis. Now, ON is equal to 1. Okay, this is the introduction part of rectangular Cartesian coordinate system. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ದು 10th ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Next, distance between 2 points. 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 The distance between or distance formula. The distance between 2 points A or P of x1 comma y1 and q of x2 comma y2 is what? PQ is equal to root of ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ PQ is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is what? Distance between 2 points. Okay. This one is P point. This one is Q point. Distance between 2 points. Now draw PM and QM perpendicular to x-axis, then find out distance. Okay. Now this PQ is equal to what? AB you have to mention. P and Q points are given, then find out distance. Then find out distance. Then find out distance of between 2 points. Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. Next is any 2 points are given, then find out distance. For example, P point is minus 1 comma 0 and Q point is 3 comma minus 2. Then find out distance between them. PQ is equal to, this point is x1 y1, second point is x2 y2. Okay, root of x2 minus x1, 3 minus of minus 1, x2 minus x1, 3 minus half minus 1 plus 3 plus 1 whole square. Next y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus 0 whole square. Now we get 4 square is 16 minus 2 square is 4 root 20. Okay, distance between these 2 points is what? Root 20 units. Okay, or 2 root 5. 2 root 5. This type of problems. Next, next is let P of x, y, z. Let P of x, y in two dimensions. P of x, y divides the line joining the points. Divides the, this means section formula. Okay, that P of x divides the, this means section formula. Okay, that P of x, y we divides the line joining the points, A of x1 y1 and B of x2 y2. Line joining the points A and B. Internally in the ratio, m is to n is given by P of x comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is what? Section formula for internal division. When two points are given and ratio is given, then find out coordinate. This one is x coordinate, this one is y coordinate. Okay, P of x comma y divides the line joining the points A and B. Internally in the ratio m is to n. This means section formula for internal division. Already proof is already over in 10th class. Okay. Now externally in the ratio m is to n is what? Externally is P of x comma y is equal to mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. 2 points are given, not mentioned externally in the ratio. For example, find the coordinates of the line joining the point. Find the coordinates. This means this is the coordinates, x and y coordinate. Okay, find the coordinates of the line joining the points A and B. A of minus 2 comma 1, B of 3 comma 0. Okay, internally in the ratio 2 is to 1, 2 is to 3, 1 is to 2. Okay, then find is now x1 y1 and x2 y2 m is to n is given, then find out x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, this we have mentioned internally in the ratio 2 is to 1. This one is m is to n. x1 y1, x2 y2. Which one is find out coordinate? Find the coordinates of the line joining the points A and B. Internally in the ratio 2 is to 1. X comma y is equal to, this point is P of x y, be any point on the plane. Okay, m into x2, m into 2 into 3 6. Okay, next nx1, 1 into mx is next nx1, n is 1, x1 is minus 2. Okay, 1 into minus 2 divided by 2 plus 1. This type of to find. Then you get one coordinate. Next, my2. My2. M is what? 2 into y2. 2 into 0 plus. Next, ny1. N into 1. 1 into 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Then you get 6 minus 2, 4. 4 by 3. Next is 2 into 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 divided by 3. This is the what coordinate of the line joining the points. These 2 points literally in the ratio 2:1. Externally is mentioned, then you have to use second. Now we have to find next midpoint formula. Midpoint of line joining the points. Midpoint of the line joining the points. Ratios are same using section actually. M is equal to N, then you get midpoint. Okay, this one is A point, B point, P of X comma Y. Okay, P is the what? Midpoint of AB. Then P of X comma Y be the midpoint of the line joining the points A and B. Ratios are same, M is to N, M is equal to N, substituting. Then you will get P of X comma Y is equal to midpoint formula. Midpoint formula. Okay, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Find the midpoint of the line joining the points A of minus 1 comma 2 and B of 3 comma minus 4. Okay, you are taking x comma, this one is x coordinate, y coordinate. x1 plus x2 divided by 2 or x2 plus x1 divided by 2, anyone you are taking. x1 a plus b is equal to b plus a. Find the distance, find the what? Midpoint of the line joining the points A and B is given by what? Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, minus 1 plus 3 divided by 2 because mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, m is equal to n, m plus m what? 2m. Okay, now ratios are same, 1 is to 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, then we do. Next, minus 4 plus 2 or 2 minus 4 you have to take divided by 2. Okay, minus 1 plus 3, 2 minus plus into minus minus. Okay, 4 minus 3 minus 1, 2, 2 by 2, 1. 2 minus 4 minus 2. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. Next 2 minus 4 minus 2. Then you get 9. This is the midpoint of the line joining the points. These two points. Midpoint. Okay. Next, find the area of the triangle with vertices. Area of the triangle with vertices. A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y2. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Area of triangle with vertices. You know this formula already. Area of the triangle with vertices. A point x1 y1, B point x2 y2 and C point x3 comma y. Okay, is given by area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 into common formula is what? 1 by 2 into base into height. Okay, half into base into height. When 3 points are given, then find out the area of triangle using this formula. Area of triangle should be positive. Modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into 1, 2, 3. Next 2, 3, 1. 3, 1, 2. Okay, x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is area of triangle with vertices. A point, 3 points are given, then find out area of triangle using this formula. Okay. When area of triangle will be 0, then these 3 points are collinear. This means line a line. A, B, C. These 3 points are what? Line a line. Means collinear. ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು 3 ABC. Okay, 3 points are collinear. This means area of triangle will be 0. Okay, 3 points are given, then find out area of triangle using this one. Now area of triangle will be 0, then the points A, B, C are collinear because line a line. Okay. Next, centroid of triangle. Centroid of triangle. Same A point, B point, C point. Centroid of triangle. A, B, C points are given. Now formula centroid of triangle G. G is the centroid of triangle. A point, B point, C point. This G is centroid of triangle. AD is perfect. This G is the centroid of triangle. Okay, G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. This is what? Centroid of triangle. G of x comma y. This one is x coordinate, y coordinate. The centroid of triangle ABC is denoted by G. This G is the centroid of triangle. Formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Okay, this is centroid of triangle. You know this already. 3 points are given. 3 points are given. A point, B point, and C point. These 3 points are given. Show that are collinear. Are collinear. Which one formula you have to use? Using distance formula. First you have to show that collinear. Okay. How to find out this one? Sum of two sides is equal to another one side. Then 3 points are collinear. This one is A point, B point, C point. AC is equal to AB plus BC using distance formula. 3 points are given. Show that 3 points are collinear. Okay, collinear means what? Line and line. Okay, now in this one AC is equal to AB plus BC. Ide irbekantenilla. Or BC is equal to anyone satisfied? Then 3 points are collinear. BC is equal to AB plus AC also. Idu condition satisfy adanu 3 points are collinear anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Next AB equal to BC plus AC ಇದ್ರು. Next AB equal to BC plus AC ಇದ್ರು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು satisfy ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? Given points are collinear. Okay, now 3 points are given. So that right angle triangle. Now Pythagoras theorem. A1 satisfied. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, or BC square equal to AB square plus AC square, AB square equal to BC square plus AC square. Then 3 points are right angled triangle. Now 4 points are given. Or parallelogram. Show that parallelogram means what? Opposite sides are equal. Okay. Opposite sides are equal. Four-sided figure. 4 points are given, show that parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. All sides are find out. A, B, C, D. Okay, AB side. First you have to work first side AB, BC, CD, and ED. All four sides are find out. Now we get AB equal to CD and BC equal to ED. Then 4 points are parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. AC and BD are the diagonals. Then AC and BD are also equal. Then ABCD are rectangle. Okay. Parallelogram but not a rectangle. Okay. Now square same. All sides are equal. Square A B C. All sides are equal. Okay. Now diagonals are also equal. Square roots. All sides and diagonals are also equal. Rhombus. Only all four sides are equal only. Diagonals are not equal in rhombus. In square only diagonals and sides are also equal. In this part. Up to this concept in over in 10th class. Distance formula find out madiri, section formula find out madiri. Okay. Next midpoint formula, centroid of triangle. This type of problems also are 3 points are given show that collinear. 3 points are given show that right angle triangle, isosceles triangle. Isosceles means what? Having two sides are equal. Okay, 4 points are given show that square. 4 points are given show that parallelogram. 4 points are given show that rhombus. Okay, this type of so many problems are over in previous class, earlier class. Okay, actual chapter will start straight line. Straight line. Before that, one definition is there. Start with slope of a line. First definition, slope of a line. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್. Inclination of a line. Inclination of a straight line. Inclination of a straight line or line. Okay. Given a line, it makes a fixed angle. It makes a fixed angle with the x-axis. With the x-axis. Okay, this angle measured in anti-clockwise direction from x-axis. From x-axis. Okay, is taken as positive. Is taken as positive. Whereas measured in the clockwise direction is taken as negative. Is taken as negative. This angle theta measured in the anti-clockwise direction is also known as inclination of a line. Inclination of a line. Inclination of a line lies between 0 degree and 180 degree. 0 degree and 180. Okay, inclination of a line. After that, we study slope of a line. Okay, given a line, write down all of you. Given a line, okay, it makes a fixed angle. It makes a fixed angle with the x-axis. Okay, this angle measured in anti-clockwise direction from x-axis. Okay, this angle measured in the anti-clockwise direction. This angle measured in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, anti-clockwise direction from x-axis. Is taken as positive. Okay, whereas measured in the clockwise direction is taken as negative. Is taken as negative. This angle theta measured in anti-clockwise direction is also known as inclination of a line, inclination of a straight line. Okay, right. This angle of a straight line. Okay, right. This angle theta measured in the anti-clockwise direction is also called inclination of a line. Inclination of a line. This is the definition of inclination of a straight line. Okay, this side or this side, this one. Definition of inclination of a straight line. Okay, this side or this side, this one. Inclination of a line. Write down one now. Inclination of a line. Inclination of a line lies between 0 degree and 180. Lies between 0 degree and 180 degree. Okay, Mind it, this one. Inclination of the line is what? Lies between 0 degree and 180 degree. Okay. Next, slope of a line. Next definition is very important. Slope of a line. Slope of a line. Slope of a line is the tangent of its inclination. Of its inclination. Okay, it is generally denoted by m. Okay. Now, before that, you know this. A, B, C. Okay. A, B, C, D. For example, this one is 2 centimeter, this one is 5 centimeter. AB side is 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter, this one is 2 centimeter. Now, A, B, C. How to find out slope of a line m equal to tan theta? Okay. A, B, C. Okay. Now this one is also same angle. Now this one is 5 centimeter. This one also 5 centimeter. For example. Okay. Next. A, B, C. This one is 2 centimeter. This one is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Angle theta. Okay. Now this one is what vertical distance AB. This one is what vertical distance. Now BC, this figure BC and this one also BC, horizontal distance. Okay. Vertical distance divided by horizontal distance. Horizontal distance is what AB divided by BC. Okay, AB divided by BC. AB divided by BC. Okay, from the above example, Lord mention AB divided by BC, the ratio. Okay, the ratio obtained is called this ratio. Is called the slope. AB divided by BC, the ratio. Okay, the ratio obtained is called this ratio. Is called the slope of line AC. Slope of line AC. Slope of line AC. Okay, the ratio obtained is called the what? Slope of the line AC. Slope of the line AC. In first figure, this one first, second. In first one is what? AB is what? AB is greater than BC. Okay, second one, AB equal to BC. Last one, AB is less than BC. Okay, the slope is equal to. Now we have to mention The slope of a line, the vertical distance to the horizontal distance, the ratio of the vertical distance to the horizontal distance is called slope of the line. Okay, AC. Okay, the ratio of the vertical distance to the horizontal distance is called slope of the line. Now, therefore, slope is equal to what? Opposite divided by adjacent. This means slope of line AC. Slope of line AC is equal to what? Vertical distance divided by horizontal distance. This means what? Vertical means what? Opposite. Horizontal means what? Adjacent, base. Now, slope is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Okay, slope means what? The ratio of the vertical distance to the horizontal distance is called slope of the line. Okay, slope is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite divided by adjacent is what? Tan. You know this. Sine means what? Opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cos is what? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. And tan is what? Opposite divided by adjacent. You know this concept in trigonometry will study. Trigonometric functions. Sine, cos, tan, cosecant x, secant x, and cot. Okay, slope is equal to tan because tan theta is what? Opposite divided by adjacent. Okay, and the slope of a line is denoted by m and defined by m is equal to tan theta. M is equal to tan theta. Slope of a line is what? Defined by m is equal to tan theta. Slope is equal to what? Opposite divided by adjacent. Telling because the ratio of the vertical distance to the horizontal distance is called slope of a line. This means opposite by adjacent is tan theta. Okay. Right now, actually, the slope of a line, is the slope of a line is the tangent. The slope of a line is the tangent of the angle. Tangent of the angle of its inclination. You know this inclination. Okay, inclination means what? Okay, the anti-clockwise direction, the angle theta. The angle theta. Okay, anti-clockwise, measured in the anti-clockwise direction is known as what? What? Inclination of a line. Inclination andre with positive direction. Okay, already I am saying given inclination definition is what? It makes a fixed angle with the x-axis. This angle, okay, measured in the anti-clockwise direction is taken as positive. Measured in the clockwise direction is taken as negative, but inclination of the line is means what? The measured in the anti-clockwise direction, fixed angle theta, measured in the anti-clockwise direction is known as what? Inclination of a line. This means this slope of a line is the tangent of the angle of its inclination. It means positive anti-clockwise direction. Okay, angle of its inclination. This is known as slope of a line. Slope of a line is denoted by m, small m, and defined by m is equal to tan theta. Generally, slope is denoted by it is generally denoted by it is generally denoted by yeah, denoted by yeah. Okay, and is defined by m is equal to already. Okay, definition is there. The slope of a line is the tangent. Slope of a line is the tangent tan theta of the angle of its inclination. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ theta positive ಆಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay, m is equal to tan theta denoted by m and defined by m is equal to tan theta. Okay. This implies gradient. This implies gradient of a gradient of say gradient of a straight line. Gradient of a straight line is nothing but inclination. A straight line. Okay, gradient of a straight line is nothing but slope of a straight line. Gradient of a straight line is nothing but slope of a straight line. Slope of a straight line. Then condition another. Okay, gradient of straight line is nothing but slope of a straight line. Straight line start ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ inclination of a line. Next definition is straight line start ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ inclination of a line. Next definition is slope of a line. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಕೆ ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್, ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಐಸೋಸ್ಲೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ tomorrow will continue the class. Next class will discuss. Okay, thank you.